Multiple choice questions on general studies and general abilities, part 5. Question number 141. The blue revolution is related with option A, food grain production, option B, milk production, option C, fish production, option D, oil seed production. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is fish production. The blue revolution is related with fish production. Question number 142. The most widely used antenna in GPS is option A, horn antenna, option B, parabolic antenna, option C, slotted antenna, option D, microstrip antenna. Your time starts now. Answer: microstrip antenna. The most widely used antenna in GPS is microstrip antenna. Question number 143. What is the full form of GIS? Option A, Geological Information System. Option B, Geographic Internet System. Option C, Geographic Information Sector. Option D, Geographic Information System. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is Geographic Information System. GIS stands for Geographic Information System. Question number 144. For which of the following disciplines is Nobel Prize awarded? Option A, Literature, Peace and Economics. Option B, Physics and Chemistry. Option C, Physiology or Medicine. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is all of the above. The Nobel Prize awarded for literature, peace, economics, physics and chemistry, physiology or medicine. Question number 145. FFC stands for option A, Federation of Football Council, option B, Film Finance Corporation, option C, Foreign Finance Corporation, option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is FFC stands for Film Finance Corporation. Question number 146. First human heart transplant operation conducted by Dr. Christian Bernard on Louis Vashkansky was conducted in option A 1958, option B 1922, option C 1967, option D 1968. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is 1967. Question number 147. The total number of bones found in newly born human body. Option A 212, option B 206, option C 202, option D 300. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is 300. The total number of bones found in newly born human body is 300. Question number 148. Which one among the following is the hardest part of our body? Option A, skull, bones of head. Option B, thumb nails. Option C, enamel of teeth. Option D, spinal vertebra. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is enamel of teeth. Enamel of teeth is the hardest part of our body. Question number 149. Which of the following vitamins acts like hormone? Option A, vitamin A. Option B, vitamin B. Option C, vitamin C. Option D, vitamin D. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is vitamin D. Vitamin D acts like hormone. Question number 150. A vast proportion of human body's weight is made up of option A, bones, option B, water, option C, organs, option D, skin, tissues and organs. Your time starts now. Time up. The answer is water. A vast proportion of human body's weight is made up of water. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more videos.